In this video, we are going to learn about how to print anything from your computer to a printer. First of all, make sure you have properly installed and connected a printer into your computer. So click to search menu and then search for printer. Click to printer and scanner. Now you can see I have installed three printer. First one is Brother DCP T220 and second one is Epson L130 series and third one is Toshiba E Studio. So now I want to print something. Open a Word file for an example and then press Ctrl P from your keyboard. Here is more option. First select your printer. You can select anyone from here. I want to select Brother and then page ranges, page size, custom margin, how much page you want to print in a single page. After that, just click to print option to print your document. So that's it. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.